Good morning, everybody. Dan, good morning. Good morning, Wendell. Good morning, Kid Poker. Good morning. Hey, you passed your eval last night? Let's go, Kid Poker. Let's go. Op Man, good morning. Samir, good morning. How's everyone? Let's have us a good day. Let's go, Kid Poker. Take it slow. If you, kid, and obviously you can do whatever you want, but if you've been finding that you've been having a difficult time holding on to your funded account, just start off really slow, just micros, and don't just get acclimated to trading those funded accounts and then scale up. Or I think, or that's where I made a mistake. That I made that mistake. Hey, good morning, Indie Scalper. Good morning. How are we doing? What a crazy move we had last night. Absolutely insane move overnight. Almost 200-point move overnight. Yes, good Kid Poker. And good luck. Hopefully, I won't have internet issues today. Knock on wood. Hopefully, I won't have internet issues today. Hey, Albert. Albert, good morning. Good morning. Oh, I was up late last night. Actually, you can see on my Ninja Trader, you can see I took some trades last night. Not on the two accounts. I basically picked the two accounts that had the lowest balance. And I was trying to catch this move, which seems kind of insane that I wouldn't be able to catch some of this move. And I just had terrible entries and ended up just finally, I finally just gave up. I just gave up for pretty much break even. But if I blew 3 accounts, nope. Not that I'm aware of, Maddie. Why? There should still be 20 accounts there, as far as I know, unless they disappeared on me somehow. Hey, Knockman, good morning. If I got the PA account, limited payouts, and same rules like the tests, after 3 profitable months, I will finally get the live account with all of the amount to trade. I'm honestly not 100% sure, Knockman, how that works. I think you just get the dollar amount available to trade that's your drawdown, I think. But yeah, I'm not 100% sure on that. I'm actually trying to get that clarified. I've been wondering about that. You made 300 on the London session. Let's go, Samir. You just see 50K balances. Let me look. I'm not sure what you mean. Oh, you mean these? So these are the ones I've had these for I'm not sure how long. Probably a week now that I've had these 3, and I'm just waiting. I'm not trading them because I don't need them. But they're part of the 20. Yeah, Top Stick took care of the clients on 725 because conscious investing. I mean, I didn't. So, did you have an Apex account and you had issues and you were trading on Tradeovate that had major issues? Because they have gone back in recent history, just a couple months ago when they had a lot of issues. They went back and basically did exactly what Top Step did. I didn't really, yeah, I guess I haven't heard that there were a lot of issues. Hey, Harshal yesterday blew up 3 PA accounts. Oh no, you thought you had micros. Oh, that hurts. That hurts. Yeah, I did see that conscious investing. I guess my question is, were you trading with Apex and did you have issues? Because usually Apex makes it right, or they have in the past where they've had issues and they go back and basically people that made money keep the money and people that lost money they don't lose their money. Hmm. I see. I'm assuming you put in a support ticket and explain what happened. Huh, interesting conscious and yeah, I'm sorry to hear that. I mean, yeah, I'm sorry to hear that. Usually they do it. Like they have in the past, they had rhythmic issues and they wiped out all the losses and everyone kept their gains that it was for 2 different days. So I'm kind of feeling like, yeah, they usually make that right. I feel like though Top Step had way more issues because um maybe it was just me, but it feel like Top Step definitely had more issues as a whole. Yeah, that is unfortunate. That's not cool. He'll never use them again. Hey, you don't have to. I mean, I guess yeah, I don't know the exact situation conscious investing. Like they obviously go back and look at what, on their end what they see and I don't know. I don't know, but that's unfortunate. Usually in the past, they've always made it right. If there was issues on their end, they always make it right. But this is the first time that I'm hearing that Apex and Trade of 8 had a lot of issues on the 25th, to be honest. I wish there was something I could do to help. I mean, I could I'm curious, conscious investing. So, conscious investing, try if you do a support ticket, do it attention Cameron. Attention Cameron. Cameron. I have found that Cameron is by far the best support person with Apex. So I don't want to advertise that too much, but I have had issues with support on some of the other support staff. I feel like they have no clue what's going on. So I don't know, maybe that'll help conscious investing. Maybe that'll help. Yeah, no problem. Conscious, and let me know if you have any luck. Sorry to hear that. That sucks. It's the first time I've heard that they haven't made it right. Alrighty. All right, market. What are we gonna do? We're opening literally right now at the highs. It's just this is one of those days where we look at the 15-minute chart. If we look at the daily chart, looks like this pullback is over. And we're just going, I mean, the overnight session, we have gone up 200 points. It makes you wonder how much higher can this thing go. But yeah, huge upside gap. Huge. Just crazy, crazy, crazy. Hey, good morning, Esther, by the way. Good morning, Doc Trades. Kyle, good morning. Oh man. Yeah, I mean, are we going to hit 16,000 today? The rate we're going, we will. The rate we're going, we will. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy how this market just goes up. If you're a swing trader, like I know this is easy to say, but if you're a swing trader, you literally just buy the dips. You just buy every single dip that happens. You're a billionaire. Oh, man. The gap is 15. Oh, for the, yeah, to the upside. Yes. Yes. I mean, I guess so. Oh, man. I love a big pullback at the open. That's what I'm wanting to see. But you can see throughout the overnight session, I mean, we just did not have much of a pullback. I mean, we had this pullback here and this one, but it's just every pullback is just got bought up. And now we're right here at the highs. It's impossible to buy up here. I mean, sure feels like it. Hey, good morning, Cartier. Good morning. How we doing? You'd think people, you know, anytime we have such a big move like this, you would think people would take their profits, you know, before the open, which usually is what happens, which usually brings the market at least, you know, a little bit of a pullback, but not this morning. We just going straight up. Don't even care. It just do not care. But man, I feel very fortunate and lucky about yesterday. The fact that we somehow ended the day green yesterday was a small little miracle that I probably did not deserve. If I'm just being honest. I should not have, like, that was one of those cases where a bad action ended in a good result, and if I'm not careful, I have to understand that was not okay to do, and it worked out, but can't do that again. Next time there will be different results if I push my luck. But you know what? We will take it. We went from negative 250 per account to $55 profit per account on that huge spike at 230. Good times, good times. NQ short. Okay. 832. Hey, good luck. You'd think it pulls back more here, but I don't trust the short. Just do not trust it. Right now, my plan is I just want to wait. I love to get a pullback like to this 800. If we get a pullback, I actually need to have a zone right there. So if I get to 800, if it pulls back to like the 800s, 780s, I just have to be careful, especially in the morning. It's always really volatile, so I want to be careful. 87.50, yeah, and then 901, yep. But yeah, I'd love to get a pullback into the 800s. Would be ideal. One thing I was looking at pre-market, and that is when we have this big of a overnight move, I do like to just have I like to have my fib levels kind of just for pullback reference. And again, the pullback, I don't know how much we're gonna get, but 795, 800, like this area right here, definitely. If we can get a pullback to that, we'll be looking to buy if we see strength. You just never know with these markets. This thing, you just never know. Hey, good morning, Doug. Post market was very nice. I know, right? Futures trader. Oh, I know. Yeah, his words of truth. Exactly. That's what I'm thinking, but I don't know. I usually you see a pullback before the open, and it's just not happening. Hey, Frederick. Hello. Good morning. DYI Dad. Good morning. No. Really, DYI dad? They told you they would make it right. That's good to hear. Conscious investing. Um, yeah, conscious investing had issues as well. They were kind of telling him they won't. I mean, which is kind of weird. I would definitely reach out to them again. Conscious investing. It's very odd that they wouldn't make that right. Usually, usually they make it right. If they can see on their end that there were any kind of issues that they can verify at the time of the trading, they almost make it right. Almost always make it right. Yeah, all we can do is trade what we see, DL. Exactly, 100%. These days are actually probably the hardest to trade. To trade what we see. Like if we just keep ripping up and I keep just waiting and waiting for a pullback, I'm just gonna miss, I'm just not gonna even be part of any move. And here we go, just right off the rip, and we're just going higher. And I don't know what to do, man. We're just gonna wait. Definitely don't need to be trading this morning. Hey, good morning, Esther. Longs only. Yep, probably a good plan unless something crazy happens. All right, maybe we'll get a pullback here. Rip it down. Come on. Bring it back. Ugh. Come on, pull back here. Really like to see this pull back significantly here, but might not happen. Hey, CT. Yeah, I mean, if you've had trade evade issues, with Apex, reach out to support, pinpoint the time and the day that you had issues, and usually they will make everything right. So just reach out, but be patient. Be patient. Obviously, they have a ton of requests. But really curious. I saw that Patrick had tweeted that he's looking to change platforms. I mean, I don't see why someone would still be using TradeEvade at this point. I mean, the issues are with TradeEvade, and I don't know why you would continue using that platform. They've had issues for a long time, but I understand it's you. I mean, yeah, it's kind of the only option maybe some of you have with a Mac that have Apple product and stuff, but if you're looking for an alternative platform, I'm using Quant Tower for my Top Step and my UProfit and my Earn to Trade funded accounts. And I've been trading in some pretty volatile markets, the last couple days, and I have not had any issues. It's been pretty seamless. So for what it's worth. Wow. And here we go. Just absolutely ripping. Absolutely ripping. What can you do? We're just gonna sit on our hands until at least 10-15. Yeah, Ninja owns it, but I mean, Ninja has been way more consistent with way less issues than Trade of 8. I think that's fair to say. Noah Parks. No, so the these two accounts, I was actually working pretty late last night, and I was kind of trying to catch one of the overnight moves. I finally gave up. I was in profit a little bit. I was just using micros. These are not the accounts that I'm currently trading, and finally, yeah, I gave up. But yeah, I think I took like 4 trades or so last night, and pretty much ended up break even on just on those accounts. But I was hoping to catch a really nice move. Kind of crazy looking at the overnight session, and you're like, wow, should have been pretty easy to catch a move, but you know me, bad entries. That's what happened. TradeAway did not have issues before Ninja. Really? I mean, they didn't buy him that long ago, and I know Trades by Matt had all kinds of issues with them. That he changed platforms because of it, but or I thought they had issues before Ninja bought him, but it didn't improve, that's for sure. Okay. I mean, we just got 0 pullback. 0. Absolutely crazy. And at this point, I guess we just have to believe that we're just going up today. It's kind of hard to accept that, but we just go up. News in 24 minutes. I didn't see any major news. I guess we do have pending home sales month over month in 23 minutes, but nothing major. It's a medium news event, medium volatility, or yellow. Oh, also, guys, did you see? I have a new code for my Apex. They allowed me to change my code to Nutty80. So from now on, you want to use my code, it's very easy to remember. Nutty80. Boom, done. Easy peasy. So I was very happy about that. I've been trying to change it for quite some time, and I kept them, they kept telling me, oh no, they can't do that. I'm like, yeah, right, you can. I see other people have it. And yet, so finally, I talked to some other people at support, and they were like, oh yeah, we can do that for you. So now, just to clarify, my old coupon code does actually still work as well, which is really nice because I have about 1,000 videos out there with that old code. So the old code also works, which is really nice. But going forward, I'll be obviously using the Nutty 82 on all my videos and using that. Actually, I just realized I did not change it in the description. I need to let me change that. But yeah, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I always felt like us plebs that didn't have, the custom code, BBM, Bye Bye Money has BBM 80. I felt like it's a little bit of a disadvantage for Because it's so much easier to remember. And I know for me, when I'm going to enter codes and I always have to go back, I can't remember that many digits. But also, my code will always be Nutty80. And basically, if you use it, it'll always give you the best discount. So yeah, Noah Parks, like if they come out with a 90% discount, then it's still going to be Nutty80, but it's going to give you the 90% discount. It's always going to give you the best discount they have available. But this market, I mean, there's no way I'm buying up here. You want the Nutty 100? I actually was thinking, I didn't find out that I could make this change until late last night. I got the email that I could make the change. I thought about waiting to reply until today to see what you guys think I should make my coupon code. I thought about just making it Nutty Bar without any numbers. I thought about just doing Nutty Bar as the coupon code. But then I settled on Nutty 80. All right, we're at the 80s now. Let's look at the 15-minute here. I mean, the next area I have is the 890s. But just absolutely straight rip from the 40s. And it looks like we're going up to the 90s. But you can see here the prior resistance right here. So see if we can get through the 90s. Maybe we'll see a pullback now. Question mark. Anyone have the nerves to short this? Anyone? Not saying you can't. I mean, 16,000 I think is in play today. I really do. 16,000 is in play the way that things. Yeah, I am the best. I am the best indicator for a reversal. That is very true. I am the best indicator for a reversal. Actually, no, let me rephrase. I'm the best. My take profit is the best indicator for a reversal. So wait until I enter, but then wait and see where my take profit is. And then your entry short will want to be just below my take profit. And it'll be like taking candy from a baby. All right, 90s incoming. Take profit at 2 ticks. You know, I don't know if Patient Trader is in here yet, but I've really been thinking about what we talked about yesterday. I've really been thinking about that 16 ticks. Do I think I could get 16 ticks? That's all I need. One trade, 16 ticks per day. That's it. I do that, I'm done for the day. Hey, Patient Trader, how are you doing? Good morning. Yeah, I've been really thinking about that. I've been thinking. Because it seems like that. I feel like I could do that. But I know it'll be a lot easier said than done. I think we all know that. In third person. Hey, nice. I like that. Well, we came right up to the 90s. Did anyone short right here? You already if you did short, you might want to take your profit. How about just trading what the market is willing to give you and you will make more than you think? I mean, that's very true, DL, and that's kind of what I try to do. That's also a lot harder. Easier said than done. You've been shorting since open, Noah? Oh, dear Lord. Let's have a moment of silence for Noah Parks. Moment of silence. I assumed you were kidding, Noah Parks. I hoped you were kidding. All right, 90s. Are we gonna push through the 90s here? Anyone gonna short this? Anyone? Yeah, exactly, guys. Just wait till I go long. Just guys, everybody be patient. Wait till I go long. How are we how is this just straight ripping from look at this. Like let's look at this. Since yesterday, you know what? We need to update this fib level here. But since last night, we're just going like a little bit of pullbacks, but still from the 640s to the 900s. What is this market? What is this? What is this? Should have just gone long at the open. I mean, it was it would have been so easy. It would have been so easy. Feels bad. Every 10 points? I don't think so. Not on purpose anyway. All right, we went through the 900s. 900s. Our 900s is toast. Close your eyes and jump on. What do you say, guys? I just go long here just so we pull back, understanding like it's like a sacrificial lamb. I just go long just so we pull back. I feel like that's the only way this market is going to pull back is if I go long. And maybe we get a pullback here finally. Now the question is, how much of a pullback are we going to get? This is always where it's like a catch 22 because we always have these V-shaped reversals. You want a short here? I'll be honest, I kind of want a short as well. And here we pull back. The question is, how big is the pullback? This is actually where it probably makes sense to scale in. But for now, there's no need to try to catch a falling knife. Not that this is a falling knife. This is just finally a little bit of pullback. Finally, the bulls were like, you know what? I'm good with making $2 million today. I'll sell right here. See what happens. we start bouncing, I don't know what we'll do here. Honestly, do I probably need to wait. I probably just need to be patient. Just need to be patient. This is always where I get myself in trouble. Trying to first little pullback I try to get in on, and it pulls back even more. Where's ES doing this morning? Actually curious. Oh, what in the world is ES? What? ES didn't even make new highs yet. Shut the front door. That is insane. Wow. That makes me a little bit more skeptical about this move. That makes me a little skeptical about this legitimacy of this. But the market is never wrong. I learned my lesson yesterday. Hey, be patient. Wait until 9/11. 9/11. What's at 9/11? Wait, where's my clock? Where did my clock go? Did I close my clock? I did. I did close it. We can't have that. There, the clock is back. All right, let's see what happens here. Oh, I see what you mean. Well, I mean, this might be it. This might be it, but I'm a little worried about ES here. What is going on with ES? Did it die? Can someone check? See if ES has a pulse? I'm gonna wait to see if this is a fake out. Just if we miss out, we miss out, but I've seen this movie before. Oh. Clench the butt cheeks and hit the buy button. You might be right, design. You might be right. It's one of them days. Just got to go, oop, eep, and just look away. I'm just not, I'm just waiting. I'm not saying the market is wrong. I'm not saying that. I'm saying I need to see a little bit more evidence. We've just gone up. It's just crazy. Almost 300 points. Patrick said to come watch you. Let's go. Welcome, welcome. Come on over. Is he ranting on me again? Probably because I had mentioned his name yesterday. Feels bad. It's okay. We're friends now. Just kidding. I don't think we're friends. We're friends, but we're civil. And we avoided. Hey guys, let's take a moment. Feel like I need to pat myself on the back here. Good job not taking that trade. See? Here we go. Bigger pullback. I didn't fall for it this time. Starting to understand these little fake outs they do. People in his chat are trolling him hard today. Oh dear, that's entertaining, I'm sure. He has some anger issues. You don't say. He is giving me free publicity. I appreciate it. Maybe I'll go over and comment in his channel. Wait, I'm banned. I can't. All right. Anybody short the 900s? It's a good short right there if you did. Hey, MK, good morning. Good morning. free publicity is priceless. Yeah, you know what? You're right. Hey, good morning, Jedi Trader. Good morning. Good morning. I did notice, and I don't want to cause any drama, okay? This is me just noticing and observing. Because he took like what, 18, like he took like an $18,000 withdrawal. I think it was like a month or 6 weeks ago on his express funded accounts, which is great. Kudos. But I noticed that he's trading 3 different express funded accounts now. And maybe I just didn't catch it, but I didn't catch anywhere where he lost those express funded accounts. I was under the impression he was still trading the same ones, but they're different. I just did some detective work and I looked. And I kind of assumed it was different, but Sign of the times. Yep. Going ham on ICT. He's going ham on ICT and talking about me. That sounds about right. That sounds about right. Shoot. You know, Patrick is an entertainer. Patrick is an entertainer that trades. That's really what it is. And no hate. I mean, it is what it is. It's pretty obvious that his goal is to entertain, and if he does it while trading, then that's fine. All right, here we go. It's now at a point where, like, I don't want to go long here and I don't want to go short. We just wait. We also, one thing I'm kind of watching is the 15-minute range. So the 15-minute range is the 823s to the 894.50. So kind of watching that level, see if we break out. If we break out, I mean, I'm going long, folks. We're just gonna have to clinch. I'm gonna have to do a clinch and click thing. Yeah, again, whatever. Like I said, we're just kind of stuck now. All right, is this it? Well, let's see what happens here. I'm just not going to trade this. I am not going to trade this, and I'm totally happy with it. Pass your first combine. Let's go, FOMO. Let's go. The buy was 60. True. True. For now. For now. Boom, ba boom, ba boom. Also, guys, I do have to leave a little bit early today. I have a dentist appointment at 2 o'clock. And man, do I hate dentist appointments. I got a tooth that broke off. Like, just I think it was eating like a chicken sandwich or something, and half my tooth breaks off. Like, what the world? All right, is ES still just not moving? Yep, ES is still dead. It's like, I see it moving. It does have a pulse. All right. I just don't trust this, that this thing is, I think we might be in for a bigger pullback yet. I might be wrong as well. That is always a possibility, but just not feeling this. Feels like the Bulls have kind of maybe gone home for the day. They had their fun in the overnight session, possibly. Excuse me. Oh, the news was right then. True. I don't think it was anything major of news, or I didn't really have it marked as any major news. It makes no difference what we think. All that matters is we trade what we see. Yes, but I'm saying, I guess what I see, what I see and what I think is kind of sometimes the same thing. What I see is this market melting lower. What I see is I don't want to get long, but I know what you mean. Hey, Kirktown, good morning. I secretly love the dentist. I do not. Dude, funny story. This is a funny story. A couple years ago when I went to the dentist, and let me follow this by saying this dentist I did not particularly care for. I mean, she was very rough and just not very pleasant to be around. But I say that, and this wasn't, on purpose, but I was pulling a tooth and she had numbed me, obviously. And she went in to put the gauze in after she had pulled my tooth. I thought she was, and she said something. I thought she said to bite down because the gauze was, in place. So I chomped down, and here she was talking to her assistant. I didn't see. And I bit her finger really hard. And she yelped. She yelped like she was not very happy. I did apologize, but when I got home, I won't lie, I will admit that I did laugh. I did find it a little bit funny. uh we don't know, J Powell. I bit the dentist. I did. I got him. I got him. And that was my last visit to that dentist. It actually was, no lie. That was the last time I went to that dentist. Oh man. I think it actually and it probably hurt because you know how when you're numb, you don't really have sensitivity there, so you don't really know exactly how hard you're biting down. And I guess I chomped down pretty hard, so that was unfortunate for her. Guess I took out my anger on the dentist. Maybe I should my new dentist today. I should maybe warn him. I've been known to bite. Just FYI. That way he has to take it easy on me. Well, guys, here we are. Here we are, all the way back down to the 40s. Just did this big old V-shaped reversal. Again, I was just not feeling it. Not feeling. We had a couple little fake outs here where I could have gotten faked out. So feeling good about being patient this morning. Now the ES is below VWAP. We have a long way to go before we get to VWAP here, but maybe. Yeah, occupational hazard. It is true. They probably have to have insurance for those crazies that bite them. And we keep going lower. Wow. I guess shorting the 90s here and having a big stop would have definitely worked out. Someone did it. Nah, you know, not me, but I know some of you probably took it. Hey, nice Cartier. Nice. See if we bounce off this level here. Dentist safety procedures should have a provision to be careful of the nutty bite. Yeah, exactly. Hey, let's go, MK. Did you catch that sell off? Nicely done. Done for the ACT. That's awesome. Let's go, guys. Make that money. You ran up 20K on a demo account. Oh, Mr. Push Up. That almost like is like a bad thing. Or I know what you mean. Hey, Carpet. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Thank you. I mean, right here is tempting to buy. This has got me kind of interested on a buy just off of this 40s. Might go a little bit lower size here. Just trying to get a bounce here. That's it. Nothing too crazy. And if we're wrong, we're wrong. We're gonna practice being. We had a good practice yesterday of being a good loser. So see if we can continue to be good losers. I prefer to be a good winner. You know, that's what I kind of prefer. But come on, rip it. Eh. Uh-oh. This is not looking good. Ah. Well. That was just another fake out. Hey. Wow, now it's going to bounce. Really? Don't start this. Keep going down. We do not want to start off the day. I bet the last 3 weeks, I've had a losing trade to start off the day like 90% of the time. I'm convinced. Hmm. Yeah, I need to just fade my I need to have one of those reverse reverse like if I click buy, it actually clicks sell and have it activated for my first trade. Anybody have one? Anybody have something like that for Ninja Trader? That's also a good idea, no Parks. Just get it out of the way. Do a 2 point stop loss and get it out of the way, and we move on. Wait. Did I only trade that on one account? Oh, you know what? I forgot to update my trade copier because last night, yep, I did. Hey, you know what? I guess we were spared then in that case. We were spared, what, $50 or so? We'll take it. We'll take it. Hmm. Man, I want to try this again. Now we're just kind of in this choppiness. Thing doesn't know if it wants to break up or sell off. I mean, we're definitely consolidating here. Makes me think we got a chance at going higher here. If we can break above this. just nothing to trade here. This is choppy, choppy, choppy. Feel like it looks like a good setup for a long, but it's sluggish. Very sluggish. Yeah, we just keep doing this little fake outs. Fake to the top, fake to the bottom, fake to the top. And new lows, new lows. Looks like we are going to test these 20s likely. I need to use the restroom. Sorry, I was muted. Sorry. Oh, what a move. What a move. Right here, I mean, this thing is not looking to stop anywhere. 50% retracement would be the 760s. But we might go all the way down to 740s. The way this is going. I'm definitely not looking for a long, just, man, holy cow. I'm just not going to chase it. I'm not doing it. I know how that will go. We all know how that will go. We went from the 800s to the 780s, just like that. Like it was nothing. I know I was muted, but when I came back, when we were right here, that is where I was considering taking a short. In if we break below this low here, and I was basically the move happened before I could, before I even said it, and I just don't like chasing this because you know why. You know what happens if you chase. You pick the bottom 99.9% of the time. We just, man, oh man. This is, I guess we should expect this pullback, I guess. I guess we shouldn't be too shocked. Yeah, no one knows what's going to happen. Yeah, that's 100% true. Wait, Jerry, I missed his comment. Hey, nicely done, Jerry. Let's go. If you see it, you take it, and it works. That's what counts. Could have pulled the trigger here. I was just a little bit too slow. I just came back to my desk and I was considering a short, and by then it was too late. And then I'm just not going to chase it. Now, if this does another V-shaped reversal, I'm just going to go home. Wait, I'm already home. Whatever. And now we bounce. See if we can bounce back up to this 815 maybe. We did make it below VWAP. We did make it below. Interesting. You think it's gonna V design again? Another V? Come on. I hate the V's. I hate the V's. Let's go, Peter Y. Nicely done. Nicely done. I'm curious, Peter, have you taken payout? Have you taken payout on Apex yet? So I think I saw you yesterday. You were saying how you made a lot of money on your PA accounts. That's awesome. I'm just curious. All right. The plan is to wait until if this pulls back either to VWAP or to the 815s. We're going to wait. Hey, I am what I am. Good morning. Good morning. Still on vacation? Let's go. Hey, you passed 2 combines? Let's go. That's a good vacation. That's a good vacation then. Started on Apex not long ago. Okay. Nicely done, Peter. Nicely done. All right. Let's see what happens. See if we can pop it. Get back up to here and maybe we go. Do I trust the short at that point is the question. Are there any earnings after hours today? I am not aware. I actually need to start tracking that a little bit, but yeah, this move I don't trust either. I'm a little bit scared this thing is going to start ripping without me and it's not going to make this big of a pullback. And thinking about scaling in, this is where I feel like scaling in makes sense when you're just trying to. But scaling in like that, and then if it's a V-shaped reversal, can get me in a lot of trouble. Get me in a lot of trouble. And I don't like that. Well, we're ripping higher now. Yeah, Jerry, we've all been there. We have all been there. I have been there many, many times. Yeah, this would be a considerable long scalp here. I agree. And it's actually kind of, yeah. I don't want to do it now, though. I don't want to do it now, but right here would have been my entry. The 87, 88 is where my entry should have been. But This could also be kind of a point of reversal here. Oh, this is hard not to pull the trigger. Oh. I need to be patient. Need to be patient. Clench cheeks and you're long from 784. All right, nicely done, design. It's working. Clench them cheeks. All right, yeah, this is looking good. This is looking good for the Bulls. Bring it up here to the 815s and then sell it off if you don't mind. That is allowed. I was very close to pulling the trigger on a short there. I'm very glad. I'm thankful I was patient. Yeah, there is no. I agree, trader from Slovenia. There's no, I'm smarter than you are. Definitely not. Okay. I might actually scale in on this one. Man, this feels so similar to yesterday when we had a big sell off and I kept trying to fade it and fade it and fade it. It feels so similar that there's a lot of warning signs going off in my head. But maybe I need to. Hang on, I need to take this. All right, another scam, another stupid telemarketer. Or if I had $10 for every telemarketer call I got, I probably could retire. At least it would be close. Hey, Charlie B. Good morning. Wow. All right, you guys that went long, you're doing great. You're doing great. There's no need to panic. I'm not sure I can pull the trigger on a short here, even though that's what I said I'd do. Feel like deja vu. Why do we have these V-shaped reversals all the time? Why? What's up with that? Just keep crawling higher, slow and steady. Yeah, the VWAP here and the EMA and this support, like right in this range here is where I'm looking for a short entry, but I want to be careful. I want to be careful. This is looking pretty strong. Looking pretty strong. I think I need to maybe just wait. I got kind of trapped in this very similar situation yesterday, and I kind of got my face ripped off 3 times in a row. It didn't feel the best. Did not exactly appreciate it. So maybe we will just keep going. It's just this melt up. It's actually it's so similar to yesterday. Mm. What do we do? Mm. Man, is it? It actually is gonna just V-shape reverse again. Actually insane. I'm not gonna argue with the market. I'm not doing it today. Today ain't the day. Hey, Steve, how we doing? Hey, that's good. That's awesome, Kid Autumn. Oh. Wait for the last big 5 minute candle and on the next green 5 minute candle. I see, Garcia. Hmm. Doji, I do not. There we go, ripping right through it. I was very close to taking that short, but my prior punishment prevented me from doing it. I'm just these V-shape reversals are just crazy. And here we go, going higher. Now pull them back. I feel stuck. I feel stuck where I don't trust a short or a long. I don't, and I feel like I'm not reading them. I feel like I'm not reading the market well at all. Not at all. Which means there's no need to trade. There's no need to push it. Hey, let's go, anonymous futures traders. Oh, that's crazy. In 3 trades, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I should feel exactly because that's what it is. I mean, right here would be a potential, could be the potential short we're looking for, but yeah, now here we go. Getting that sell. Interesting, we got right to this Fibonacci level, the 23.6, right to it. Also, the 50% retracement was literally right on it. So, pretty interesting there. Now, is this just a long entry point here? Looks like it wants to keep going lower. Yep, here we go. Excuse me. Hey, next Monday, get another one. Try again. Oh, man. I hate when I'm in this stuck. Wow, we're just keep going lower. Hey, why do you do so awesome on your evals, but totally change when PA? KM, I mean, I think it's a combination of a lot of different things. The mental psychological part of it is the biggest thing, I think. Hey, good morning, Alpine. Good morning. How was your morning? Yeah, it is all mental. Like even now, like I feel like I'm just not reading the market well, and then you just kind of stuck, and that's also difficult. Hey, thankful for stocks. Good, doing good again on those. Awesome. Schlong. Oh man. Okay. Thinking about doing going along right here. Mm. The reason I don't like this, I'm not going to go long here. We're right at VWAP. We're coming up right on the EMA and this resistance. There's just no need to take this trade. I don't. Just no need. I just want to wait. We might consolidate here as well. At the moment, excuse me. Man, we're just. This is. I'm happy just watching this. I'm happy watching this. Feel like I missed out. I feel like I totally missed out on the main moves already. And that feels a little bad. And now I just need to be patient. There's no need to, I don't need to go crazy. Or this is always when I get myself in trouble. After I kind of miss a move, then you kind of force things and oh, there's this. Here we go. I mean, I was thinking about it long, so I'm thankful I didn't pull the trigger. See if we make new lows here. See if we make new lows. And here's new lows. Should have just... You know what? We're not going to play the shoulda, coulda, wouldas. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Not allowed. Yeah, exactly, Jamie. Thank you for reminding me. There's always going to be more trades. There's always going to be another setup. And it's important to look forward, not backward, and look at what you missed. Look forward and stay focused. Very true. Got a piece of that on ES. Let's go. But man, this thing went right to the fib level. I mean, to the tick. Pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. Are we going to bounce again here? Oy, oy, oy. Wow, here we go. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. This price action is... I'm just... I mean, we made lower lows here, but I would consider this a double bottom, not a lower low, just for me. So we just wicked lower and then just ripped another 25 points higher. Because why not? Hey, really, Jerry? Let's go. Oh, wow. Over 2,000. Nice, Jerry. Now might be a good time to walk away. Shut those charts down. They'll be there again tomorrow. They will be there again tomorrow. But I say that, and I say but because there is such a thing as being in the zone. If you're in the zone and you're seeing everything play out exactly like you like what you're seeing, you like what you're seeing, then sometimes that's also when you need to push the pedal to the metal. But that's awesome, Jerry. That's awesome. Let's go. Let's go. And we just go going higher. This is actually an easy market. All you do is you just buy here and we sell here. Thoughts? Anybody had thoughts on that? Oh, I'm conflicted. I'm very conflicted. Might also be a case of last night, I think I got 3 hours of sleep. So maybe my brain isn't working in full function. Okay, Jerry, that sounds fair. That sounds fair. Yeah, that's a good DL. That's a good point. Have a set dollar amount, like where if it goes below that, you're gonna walk away. You're done. Give yourself a little bit of wiggle room yet, and then, but have a set dollar amount. And if it gets below that, you're gonna walk away, close your charts, and be done. All right, here, right here at this EMA, I'm gonna take this short. I'm gonna do it. Hey, I mean, maybe I am. I also might not get filled. You gotta be kidding. Unbelievable. Well, hang on. No, I should have kept it. Should have kept it. Let's see if we retest. You know what? We're just gonna wait. I don't know why. This thing. See if this thing rips through this EMA. It's all of a sudden looking bullish again. Yeah, there she goes. Hey, good morning, Jamil. Good morning. How's it been? How are things been for you? Okay, I don't know. Man, today is just not my day. Not my day. uh being hesitant. I'm being hesitant. I'm just my confidence isn't there. I'm not seeing the market well. On the flip side, we have been very patient. We have been very patient, and we only took one trade so far. So I guess things could be worse. Trucking along with my PAs. Awesome, awesome. Let's go, Jamil. Good. That's awesome. Chat trading time. Honestly, okay, I'm being completely honest when I say this. Like right now in my headspace is just kind of a jumbled mess. And if I wouldn't have 20 funded accounts, it would be a great time to just buy an evaluation account and just trade that evaluation account and not trade these funded accounts. Honestly, feel like that would be good. I'm not sure we want to do trades by chat with these funded accounts. I mean, I trust you guys though. I trust. Um trying to think what we could do. I still don't have my UProfit account. Starting to get a little bit, I might actually send them an email, see what's going on. I did trade my Top Step account and traded it pre-market. Didn't go well. Did not go well. And so I shut that thing down for the day. That's also probably why I'm just not quite feeling it today. That's also probably part of it. Feels bad. Go to the dentist? No, I don't want to go to the dentist. That's actually I am dreading going to the dentist. Trying to think if I could come up with an excuse. Somehow I need to come up with an excuse on why I can't make it. I can't go to the dentist. An eval ninja. Unfortunately, I am, and I don't feel like that's anything to. I actually don't even feel like. Okay, now hear me out. I might take this long. I like this. We failed to make new lows. Well, never mind. We might have just been a little bit of a fake out here. We'll wait. Yeah, Mr. Push Up. I think that's kind of a human nature. That just kind of naturally happens. But I try to have an open mind, but it's also if you have too much of an open mind, then you'll be all over the place. If you know what I mean. And the thing to remember, like the thing that we really have to remember is there's so many different strategies and different ways to trade and make money that we have to. I just think it's way more important to focus, like when, and this is in regards to like encouraging or recommending how people trade. It's way more encouraging, way more important to encourage and focus on the mental and psychological aspect of trading than it is to, hey, I trade this strategy, you should try this, you should try this strategy. And because you can have a profitable strategy and teach it to someone else and they're not going to be profitable. It's not just the strategy. It's a lot more is mental. And or that's always what I appreciate is the mental part of it. It has to be a mix for sure. It does, but I have yet to see anyone that has the mental part is, I think, more important. I mean, they're both important. It's kind of hard to put one ahead of the other, but yeah. If you want Nutty to go to the dentist, hit the like button. Patient trader is on his game again. Okay, down we go, folks. Down, down, down. I'm curious, has anyone used my new code, my new Nutty 80 code? I'm just curious if anyone has, I'd like to know just to make sure it works. Nutty 80. Finally, we have our own code. Finally. Okay, I'm going in. Again, just another bounce. Come on, just give me give it. Just need you to bounce like 30 ticks. That's it. I'm not asking for a lot. I don't. If I don't like it, I'm gonna kill it. I'm not liking it. Jeez. Why? 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 All right, fine. I believe. I believe. It's just not. It's not my day, man. It ain't it. This ain't it. I don't know, Alpine. Is there like I don't know that there's a limit. You can change your code. I think I don't know. Is there like a certain time where you are allowed to change it or not? I don't know. I was trying to change it like a month or 2 months ago, and they said, nope, you can't do that. But now magically you can. Weird. Yeah, Mr. Push Up. That's exactly what happens. That is the real question, Mr. Push Up. How many push ups can you do? Over 9,000. Oh, you did use the new code and it worked? Let's go. Thanks for letting me know, Daniel. I do appreciate that. Thank you. Nutty 80 confirmed. This market is just absolutely making me miserable. I hate this. I hate this. Give me 100 push-ups right now. Oh, dear. This is annoying. Very, very annoying. Broken miner trend line for the bull side. Yeah, I see that. it's just, I don't know, man. It's one of those days where as soon as I enter a trade, it just immediately goes against me. Like, immediately. I hate that. Oh, I hate that. Soon as it kind of looks like we're going to break out, then we just chop again. At this point, we almost need to get above this VWAP, or above the EMA, above VWAP, and, you know, above, you know, like almost above the 820s. If we get above the 820s, I'm in. Or if we sell off below the 60s, then I'm interested. But till then, well, now we're kind of making a little bit of a move. Here we go. Oh, that's just frustrating. 2-hour chart. This is the 1-hour chart showing the gap. Man, what a big gap. 644's huge gap to fill here. Ho, ho, ho. Wow. Wow. That's all I can say is wow. What in it? What? I was on the wrong account. I'm such an idiot. How old I am? I'm probably a lot older than you think. I turned 40 years old this year. Shoot, I should have asked him how old do you think I am? 100 push-ups and squats every night. Wow, that's good. Hey, you thought 30s? Thank you. Thank you. I'll take it. I'll take it. All right, market. Where do you want me to enter? You just tell me, and then you can reverse. We all know. We know the drill. See if you can see if you can do it. I believe this account was the wrong account. I thought I changed it, but I didn't. So this is the right account, but this was not. I have it fixed now though, but it's going to mess up it's going to kind of mess up things now going forward, but oh well. How big is my bank account? Well, let's see. Not that big. I don't know. I'm not sure the physical size. I haven't seen it. 6 or 7 zeros. Can I count the zeros that come like the dollars and like the cents? 00 dot 000 0. Can I count those? Oh, you can send me a DM. You can send me a DM on Twitter. Nutty Bar Trading. So here I'm thinking this would be an interesting short right here. Hey, thank you for your subscription. County Family. SDCA East County Family. I'm not sure. Also, Jerome subscribed today as well. Thank you very much. That's real money? No, I'm not. What? Oh, yes. Oh, I can count the funded accounts. Oh, yes. Let me do some calculation here. If only. If only. Okay, what we doing here? It also could be a good entry right here for a short. Could be a good entry for a short. Or long. I said short, now the market's going up. But actually, I wanted the market to go up, so it was like reverse psychology. Oh. All right. Don't want to get crazy here, but we might jump in just... Come on, pull back a little bit. All right, our stop's going to be below the VWAP. I'm going to be upset. I'm actually going to stop trading if this one goes against me. You know what? I feel like I need to go get I'm just going to go get some fresh air. I feel like this market is, needs me to just kind of step away a little bit and let it do its thing. And maybe then it will listen. Whoa! Whoa, whoa, folks. Hold on, hold on. Hold on. I will take the other profit right here just because we're right at this prior high. Um okay, okay, guys, okay. Okay, okay. Maybe. Just need to I guess I should have maybe let that runner go, but you know what? A day like today, we will take our win. We will take that win and look for another entry. How about that? Now my accounts are all screwed up and my OCD is gonna really bother me. Now this account, it's supposed to be this account and this account is together. This account was not supposed to be traded today. Feels bad. A win is a win. That's right. Especially when you have 2 losses in a row to start off your day. You just take a win. You just take a win and then you go on. Yeah, I always mess up the runner as well, so see if we can I mean, this is looking really strong now. This is looking very strong. If we can get a pullback here and just get another entry, we'll do it. Come on, pull back a little bit more right off that. Come on, momentum. Let's go. No shot. Come on. Get in here, Bulls. Okay, well. There you go. Now rip it. Rip it. You know what? Maybe I do need to go get some fresh air. Last time I just talked about going outside to get some fresh air and I wasn't even allowed to go and it hit my target. So maybe. Come on. Hmm. Come on now, rip it. All right. I don't know about this. I'm feeling less and less confident, but you know what? I'm gonna go get some fresh air. I'll be back. Ah, that's why I'm gonna get gray hair. That's why I'm getting gray hair right there. Unreal. Probably. Uh, one step forward, two steps back. I'm not gonna let this thing just go hit my stop and then go without me. It's not allowed. Oh, ho, 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 hum. We might have to call this early today, folks. Where's my stress ball? Really? Oh my goodness. Oh man. Just ain't it today. It ain't it. That last one just chasing that price. That was stupid. Urgh. Yo, I'm trying to think what I I'm not trying to think what to do. You don't know why I'm taking longs? Can mean yeah, I don't know either. I don't know either. Well, at least the market isn't reversing. At least it continued to go down. We look at the bright side, right? Hmm. Man, that dip right down to the 800s. Now I want to buy again. Man, oh man. Oh, looking at Bookmap. Tons of liquidity came in at the 15,900s as well. All the way up here. All right, I'm out. I'm out. That's it for today. That's it. This ain't my day. And now I got to go to the dentist. I might just bite her finger off. All right. Take care, everybody. I hope you